started my journey with Magnesa, initially it was very beautiful. I attended the events. I got really motivated. I went to Shillong. I saw my inspiration, Miss Rhoda Kapani, Sir Santosh Joseph. And that moment, I took a decision that I am also going to be inspiration for someone. That moment, when I was sitting on the front chair, I decided that I'm going to be that one inspiration for someone. And from that hall, I went out and I went to Sikkim, and I decided that I am definitely going to be very, very successful, and I'm going to be that inspiring lady. So I started my journey with Magnesa like that, and it was very beautiful, going smoothly. Then I resigned my job. Before that, I was doing job. So my monthly salary was 15,000 rupees. But after that, I didn't earn any, like their salary was not there. And best part is I didn't inform my parents also. So every day I used to come out of my home saying that I'm going for a job, but actually I was not going for a job. I was going for Magnisaka plan. So 1 month, what happened? Every day I used to work. I used to show, plan. But after 1 month, what happened? There is a time where you get your salary, no? So that time what happened? I didn't got my salary. So I felt bad because I was not earning that time. So what happened? My father asked me, do you have this thing? I have to do some financial things. These things were there. And that moment I said, Father, I quit my job. At that time he was shocked. And that time he said, find a new job. And that I said, no, I'm going to continue my business. And that moment was very, very difficult for me because all of my cousins, my siblings, they were totally against that, no, you have to go for a job. Don't do this kind of business. This is not going to happen. I told my father, I don't bother about any other opinions, any other thing. But my father is very important for me. I told my father, Baba, please, 1 year, don't say anything. Don't force me to go for a job. Give me one chance to do this business. I want to do this business 1 year. Don't tell anything. And my father got understood. And after that, I started my journey with Magnesa. The challenges, definitely, financial challenges was always there. But the main challenges which I faced when I started my journey with Magnesa, that is my age. I was 20 years old when I started. That time what happened, I used to go above my teachers, my colleagues, and my so many associates. I used to go show, plan, but they didn't believe me because I was very small comparing to them. They were earning more amount of money. They were having more amount of experience they had. Like since I just have 1-2 years experience, but they had like 10 years experience in their job. So when I told them, sir, from this business you can earn 10 lakhs in 1 week, they didn't believe me. So many people rejected me. So age was one I can say that weakness was there that moment, that people didn't used to believe me because I was very small also, height also, weight is also not there. So I was very small. So how can somebody believe that one small girl is coming and telling that you can earn 10 lakhs 1 week? And they used to ask me, how much are you earning? No? So I used to say like, I'm earning. So I used to say, there was no answer since I was not earning that point of time, no? What happened? And I started my journey like that. People rejected me a lot. And after that, I took a decision that moment. All those people who rejected, no, I'm going to get all those people in Magnesa, and that is happening with me right now. The people who rejected me 2 years back, right now they are messaging me, Lalita, I want to join with you right now. Is it right time? I know it is late, but I want to start with you. People are coming back. My best friend, they rejected me. They didn't even used to invite me for their birthday parties and all. We were best friends. But right now, everyone wants to come with Magnesa. Today, just now only, I closed one of my friends. She just transferred me the money. No? So, initially stage, age, it was my weakness. Since I was just 20 years old, no one was believing me. But today, it is my strength, becoming the youngest diamond of Magnesa. So, what I want to say, right now, I know the struggles is there, the challenges is there, but tomorrow, when you achieve success, no, you will enjoy that. That weakness is going to be your strength. Thank you so much.